Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So today I am going to share one another platform where monthly 25 million traffic is coming across globe. But this platform is purely for those who are having some blogs for their products or for their like channels or for anything. So this is one of the beautiful platform which can engage your audience and surely can drive traffic to through your blog to your either YouTube channel or your affiliate product or anything. But here blog is very necessary and the persons who are not having their blogs, so you don't need to worry, there are plenty of platforms. Let us say you might have heard name of free PLR books. So if you can google it, then you can download free PLR books, and from those books you can download or like fetch few of the blogs, or else you can google some of the blogs which are related to your product or your category. You can select those blogs, then you can rewrite it, or there are many of the tools are available, they can spin your blog or they can rephrase your blog. So you won't ever get any copyright issue on your blog that you have used same contents of the original author. So the people who are having already their blog, they can straight away use this platform, or people who are not having their blog, they can either download or they can write, or either they can download some free PLR book or rewrite some other one's blog and can upload it. But believe me, this can drive huge traffic on your platform. So without any delay, let me introduce to this platform, and this platform name is boardpanda.com. And as usual, let us see their traffic on similarweb.com. So as you can see, monthly visits it's almost 22.1 million across globe, and average visit duration is close to 4 minutes. And the top 5 countries from where people are coming and use this platform are United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Germany and Australia. So almost 50% of the traffic are coming from these tier 1 countries. So as I mentioned in my earlier video, why each time I am seeing you this traffic sources, because you can slowly correlate your affiliate product or blog or YouTube channel with this traffic source or like audience. Because if you are having YouTube channel or any other Facebook page, then of course the views you are getting for tier 1 countries, you get paid more. So you can correlate in that way. If you are having blogs or if you are having affiliate products, then of course these tier 1 countries are having much more buying power compared to some other countries. So scope for selling of your product will get drastically increased. So that's why I am showing you the traffic sources. So each time you can correlate and you have to make your product or make your affiliate product accordingly, so which can fetch more juice from your like one product. Correct, let us say you are having one affiliate product, but you can use same affiliate product in multiple platforms. Like you can use their photos in many of their photo sharing like websites or platforms. Then if you are having videos, then you can upload on many of the video sharing platforms. Or if you are having some blogs or articles of same products, then same blogs or articles can used on the many of the platform. So one product, from one product you can create multiple ways, or I could say multiple earning ways. So you can get more juice from your one product. So I hope you are now getting me why I am sharing or showing this traffic source every time. Now coming to our main agenda, which is our main website, which is boardpanda.com. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a blogger sharing website. Bloggers or like content creators or people who have excellent writing skills, they are coming on this platform and they are sharing their ideas through blogs. You can see many of the peoples have put their blogs under different categories, and they have put some attractive catchy, I could say, photos along with their blog. So I always like say you the photo or video always create more impact compared to your written document like blog or books, because photo represent much more compared to your written document. So always use relevant photos which are related to your blog. So from your photo you can drive traffic to your blog, videos, etc. Correct. Now this is the very self-explanatory. This is like this is a blogger platform, correct? And sign up again. Detail sign up process is again a very easy and self-explanatory. So I am not wasting your time. So these are the some of the categories that you can upload your blogs under such categories. Correct. Now let me show you. Yeah, trending. If we click on this option, then you may see some of the blogs or articles which are trending as of now. Correct. So these are such articles. Correct. See, these are the articles. So see, this person get 12 replies. So it means maybe around 1200 person may have read their blogs and got 12 replies, 18 comments, or like 15 comments. Correct. So this is a very engaging platform, I could say. So you need to simple copy and post your blog and upload over here. So how to upload your blog over here? There is an option called add post. See, if you want your blog with images, then you can add this first. If you want to ask a question, then there is a provision. If you want to create a challenge, that how to lose weight in a like 10 days or 1 month, so you can create such challenges also. So this is the some of the way that you can drive traffic, correct? So you need to spend like 15-20 odd minutes to understand this platform and hands on this platform. And also I request you to see other people's blog and understand like how people are posting it, correct? So you can have some idea and you can act accordingly. So these are the platform. So people who are affiliators or people who are influencer, they are not using much, so you are having chance to take some early bird advantage. So that's the reason I am showing you different platforms which have some engage you like or good traffic, and most of the traffic are coming for tier 1 countries. So thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video then please subscribe my channel. Thank you.